Welcome to Epistemology and Apologetics. And first, I think we should define what those big terms are. So epistemology is one of the major philosophic disciplines. So if you think about the topic of philosophy and you look at it almost like an umbrella, and remember, philosophy comes from the two Greek words, philo, which means love, brother love, and Sophia, wisdom. So philosophy literally means the love of wisdom. But under this umbrella of philosophy, we have some major categories. This could include ethics, the theory of right judgments or right conduct; aesthetics, the theory of critiquing. It asks questions like, what is the good, the true, the beautiful? We have logic, which is the theory of right thinking, right reasoning, which we'll be using a lot of that in this class. We have epistemology, which is the theory of knowledge. How do we know things, which is a major component of this course. And which one am I missing? Metaphysics, the theory of being, or ontology is the theory of being, and metaphysics is asking what is the nature of reality. And so, and also in addition, the second name for this class, it's epistemology and apologetics. So after we're done talking about what we know and how we know things, apologetics is the discipline of defending one's point of view or reason or beliefs. And so we'll talk about different strategies of that. But to get going, first, I think it's really important. I really love conversations that have to do with the difference between. So your first difference between conversation I want you to engage me in is, what is the difference between belief and knowledge? What is the difference between belief and knowledge? And if it helps you, I know about 3 things, but I believe in thousands of things.
Well, it seems like belief can encompass knowledge, but belief can also surpass knowledge. So you can believe, kind of like the example you gave in chapel, like you can believe that this chair will hold you whenever you sit down. Like you could also, like, maybe you built the chair and you know that it's going to be sturdy and it's going to stand up. So I think belief encompasses knowledge, but it also surpasses knowledge. So belief can be like an inference or something that you, I guess, like, may not be like know for sure, like concretely. So I guess belief can fill in the gaps, but knowledge is just one solid concrete thing, and then belief, I think, surpasses that.
I'm taking it, Autumn, that you're coming from a religious background.
Yeah.
Because I love the way you just pole vaulted belief over reason or knowledge. And many people would suggest that it's belief that falls short of knowledge. And that's why we need to hold it account, so we're not believing irrational or crazy things.
Yeah. That's true.
Yeah, it is.
That's interesting.
But
I never
don't agree with your other statement either, that belief can transcend knowledge, but that's a sticky wicket we're going to have to approach cautiously. Yes, Aiden.
I think